Hey there, guess what I'm going to do with us today? I'm going to show you how I do my space buns for big, naturally curly hair. It's fast, it's easy. I'm Christina and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and like it because you know what? I like you so much and we're going to have fun. Easy, curly hair, big head space buns. All right, so I use a pick all the time. I never use a hairbrush with hair like this. I like to do kind of a side part, and sometimes it takes a couple of different times of going down the same spot. Now, I'm kind of embarrassed. I had a conflict with my appointment and had to cancel my color appointment to get my roots colored. So I can't even believe I'm gonna wear my hair like this today, but it's senior stretch day on the beach and no makeup, little mascara, lip gloss to go get some sunshine and shine on my roots. So here we go. Just go down as far as I can. And I usually do this totally blind. Like what I mean is I won't even have a mirror behind me sometimes and I don't care. So I just gently pick up the hair. Just gently like so, and here we go. What's cool is I don't even have matching ponytail holders today because you don't need it. But once, twice on the big side, I leave it like that. And I just pull it like so. Now, watch, this is going to be fun. So, pardon me when I take my eyes off of you. I'm using the camera as a mirror so I can see what I'm doing for you. So I've got a piece kind of hanging out, and then this kind of looks like a little sea urchin, doesn't it? So I take the pieces that are kind of loose and just tuck it, pin it. I use blonde colored bobby pins, but with my roots so long, I could use brown. No one would ever know. Okay, so then I just take my fingers after I fluff the bun a little bit, and I push it down. Then I take the pin, and I go inside of it. I don't do a perfect bun like a ballerina bun. I just kind of go in and settle it in. Because I'm weird about symmetry and perfection. I like to be kind of perfectly imperfect. See, I'm just going kind of in there. Boom. Sweet. And those of us who have curly hair totally understand and get that we don't want to comb it out or brush it out. And I've got another video, I don't know if you've seen my other video about product for curly hair. Big hair, don't care. Love my curly hair. So you can check out the product I put in my hair to make good curls. So this one has a lot of flyaways and they're in the back. So I'm gonna just pin down what's controlled in the front first. Controlled, you know what I'm saying. Like so. And then I'll show you how I'm going to do the back on this. Just take it, fluff, nudge. Woo! My hair girl is going to have fun coloring these roots. Okay. So that's it. Then if I don't want my little curls hanging down in the back, big bun, small bun. I think I'll leave it just like, nah, look. Now I've got some loose here. So let's see which way I want to put it. I'll swing it around the front because it looked kind of cute right there. And then if I don't want these hanging down, I grab all of them, twist, roll, and I personally take the pin, grab the hair with it, to just push straight up with the hairline like that. Okay. That's all the perfection I'm going to do on my hair today. Let's go stretch at the beach. Come on.